it's the 21st century, and I've got to try and adapt to the changing times. I just don't like 5-string basses. I know it's the 21st century, and I've got to try and adapt to the changing times.
Hey, what's good? Hey, what's good? All right, let's get going. I know. It's like day 5 was taking 3 days so far. I'm slipping. Same here. I'll be like, I want to hear Heifer voice today. I need to hear that accent. Like, I just want to hear your sweet ass voice today. But I can't. But well, I caught the Marvel Rivals stream a few days ago. I caught it on the way home. What? Why? What happened? You got a stalker? It ain't me, by the way. Okay, maybe it is me. It could be me. You never know. You sound like this lady I used to work with. She had the sweetest voice ever, and she just had this cherry demeanor, and you just remind me of her. So I'm like, yeah, I want to hear effort today. But like I said, I caught the Marvel stream. I think that was one I caught. I caught some of it. You were trying out Mr. Fantastic, if I remember correctly. Yeah, that's appealing to some of us. Some of us like that mommy vibe. What did she say? You sound like a big titty woman. Marvel Rivals is that stressful? Is that what you say? I didn't think it was that stressful. It looked fun. Ah, okay, so I got it right. You sound a little hefty in the chest. That's where that mommy voice be coming from for me. I got the link tree up like you suggested. I made a few edits to the timers. The music stuff comes up now. The release, I haven't got the release link. I got a new release coming up on the 22nd. I don't have the release link yet, but I'm gonna add that to the timers once I get that. But yeah, you see I'm trying, right? I'm doing a little promoting now. Nah, this is not mine. This is Auto DJ's playlist. No, this is not mine. DJ's playlist. I'm just hearing it just like you. It's from Soundcloud. I forget whose playlist this is. I know it's not the Monster Cat one, because Monster Cat is usually like, yeah, just various. But I took what you said really hit, and I went and I made a few changes. I'm paying more attention to chat now. Yeah, we ain't at that point. I thought I would have just like I was gonna just that's what I was gonna do, just song requests most of the stuff I have on YouTube, because you either have to get the songs from YouTube or SoundCloud, and I don't really have a lot of stuff on YouTube or SoundCloud. I think I have like maybe 40 songs, but 10 are new. So we gonna work on it though. We gonna work on it. I'm listening, is what I'm saying. I'm listening. We gonna work on it. Keep the ideas coming. I love the suggestions. Let me start struggling with this thing that I've been struggling with for days. Oh, cool. Like args in like coding, like in Java. Are you saying you finally made it to JavaScript, or are you still in or maybe I don't understand what you said. Co-working study stream. I know I'm not bugging, right? Are we talking about coding, or are we talking about music? I'm lost. No, you say args now, I think arguments now, I think about JavaScript and functions. Oh, okay. Because arguments in JavaScript are like the stuff you put in a function, or parameters, I think they're called, and then when you call the function, you put an argument in there. So I thought you were talking coded. Wow, that sounds interesting. What period in philosophy? Yeah. Philosophy is just the basis of everything. That's what the mind thinks about all day, right? Why am I here? Why do I exist? What am I doing here? What is my purpose? Like that should just be running through your head all day, messing with your brain. Is the music too loud? Like, can you hear me over the music? I'm not sure. You know I gotta be here. I told you I was gonna be here. Why is you front and checking me? You knew I was gonna be here. You know I'm hooked on Java. You know it's not gonna end until I get it. Me and Java gonna be going at it forever. Yeah, that makes a whole lot of sense. That makes a serious amount of sense. It's just different ways of seeing the world, right? But the artist can't really tell you what it is they're seeing. That's the difference between philosophy and art, right? The artist lets you interpret it, right? Lets you lets you give your opinion of what you are seeing. This philosophy takes an opposing side to you, I guess, and says, "Oh, okay, this is what I see, and this is what I make of it. What about you?" And then you get to debate it out with the philosopher. But they are basically doing the same thing, right? They're setting a stage for you to debate on or to give an opinion on, and then you can. But with the artist, you can't really you can't really discuss it with them and say, "Oh, well, this is what I see," and they can say, "Well, no, that's not what I was portraying." But with the philosopher, you can do that, right? He says this, and you say, "Well, I don't know, man. I think this," and then it just spirals on like that. But it is still both a medium, right? What am I doing wrong? Okay. What to delete and what to add, right? Index you want to start off, then what to delete, and you want to start. But it didn't slice anything. What am I doing wrong? And the drama people just put it all together, like they actually act out what they are philosophizing about, and show you a real or kind of real life example and an expected outcome. Like drama is a bit more full bodied. It's the philosophy in application with the visuals, right? So it combines the art and the philosophy. Oh, that's what you mean. So I went up in a whole other direction. No, I don't see it that way, man. Like I guess you can see words in art, right? Right, right. I guess you can see words in art. I guess that's why we like fancy fonts and whatnot. But I mean, everything is in print and it's all the same font. So, maybe back in the days, though, you are right. Back in the days, I guess they could say that, right? They could say, oh, yeah. Oh, I see. I'm slicing, not splicing. No, it's still not working. Did I get the name of the... Yeah, I got it right. Let's take this console. Right, because like I said, everything is in print now, so we don't really like. It's not like we're like I mean, back in the days, they were probably all looking like it was written by the philosopher on paper with the quill and whatever. But in the days of print, everything is in the same font. We don't get to see the philosopher's character and his writing. We just see monospace font. I don't know why my splice is not working. I'm confused. Control X. Okay, let's move this down. So I don't have to jump Control V. Was there an example of a philosopher who could paint and draw and translated what he was seeing into some kind of visuals? Right, right. That's exactly what I'm saying. Like we can't discuss it with them. Like it'd be nice if you see a Picasso and then you sit with Picasso and get to talk about the. I haven't seen much of Basquiat's art. I think I only heard about him because of 50 Cent making fun of Jay. That Jay was imitating Basquiat, and I did like one mini YouTube search to find out who Basquiat was, and I saw the resemblance, but I didn't really pay attention to the art part. I'll check him out though. I'll do another little dive, find out who the man is, learn a bit more about him. Still wondering why my splice doesn't work. I actually need to get more on my urban art stuff. Like, I discovered one artist, local artist, and that was about it. A lot of black beauty, very nice black imageries, but I don't really know a lot of black artists. Jill Scott Heron. I feel like I should be taking notes. I should write this stuff down so I can check it out. Let me get a pen. I'll be right back. I just need to get a pen so I can write this stuff down. Wait, I'm silly. I got the keyboard in front of me and no pad. I'm so old school. And I'm still running to go get a pen. Wow, I feel old. Plato, I've heard of. I've heard of the major ones. Aristotle. You hear about all those guys. You can't hear about the old Roman Empire without hearing about those guys. Euripides, all those guys. And if you play a lot of Assassin's Creed, then you're gonna hear those names. They play major roles in Assassin's Creed because it's all world history, old Roman Empire stuff. Jill Scott Heron. What was the other one? Basquiat. Quiet. Quiet. Basquiat. Quiet. I can't spell Basquiat. Hopefully Google will catch me. I'm still wondering why my splice method is not working. Yeah, I've been trying to get because like I think it's just I need to update and stop being so old. They even got the notes now where you just need you get a little what do you call it, a pen and a pad, and you can just use it like a thing. Yeah, that's the old fashionable way. Don't forget your glasses too, right away. You gotta wear your glasses on your nose and whatnot. And it's called a quill, check 'em. It's a quill, not a feather. You gotta look real. What was the man's name? The one that went to France and wrote the constant. He was a big the forefather. What is this man's name? The one with the lightning rod. I almost said Thomas Jefferson, but it's not him. The guy with the lightning rod, the one who got shocked. But yeah, you gotta look like him when doing it. What is this man's name? How do I not remember this man's name? I feel so. God damn, I feel old. This is like fifth grade American history, and I am completely blanking out. I'll take any help from you too if anybody remembers this man's name. He was very instrumental in writing the Constitution. Something about there's an anecdote about him getting shot by the lightning rod. A lot of inventions. Was it Thomas Jefferson? Am I blanking on Thomas Jefferson? Was it Benjamin Franklin? I forget now. I'm confused. Hey, check him. Can you tell me why my splice is not working? Is it that I can't console log a splice? Right, Benjamin Franklin. Okay, I'm not as old as I think I am. Okay, let's just console. Well, it is console log in the countries array, like I wanted to do. Okay, dot splice. Start at the 0 index and remove 10 items. Well, it only removed. Oh, okay, so that is what it is. Not a good idea to console out. Okay, so let's say let chicks. Wait, no, that's not be said. New array equals. Wait, no. I think that is the array I'm using. I copied this directly from the 30 days of Java thing. I think. I hope. Whoa, what the hell? This is a long ass flipping array. Wow. Well, that's a long fucking array. Well, let's take this array, Control X, move it back up here. All right, let's take these two out. Okay, so that's how song request works. It only plays music when it's requested. That's interesting. I was like, oh my god, I hope they can hear me over the music. There's no music playing. Yeah, I see it now. Is that like every country? Oh my god, this is a big ass fucking array. That is a huge array. Flipping hell. It said 93 more items. And this is all the way in L. And there's still 93 more items to go. Alright. Let's new array. Oops. New array equals countries. Oh wait, I don't have to declare a variable. I can just countries. Dot splice 0. Start in the index of 0 and delete 10 things. Azerbaijan all the way to the Bahamas. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. Okay. But I think he wanted me to use the slice. Alright, slice method. Alright, it tells me from where I want it to start to, oh, can I just say 10? What if I say just 10? What, did they just cut the last 10 things? Alright, so start index of 0 and slice up to index 11. Maybe I have to start in a variable. Like the splice works just fine. It starts at index 0 and takes 10 things out. Oh, okay. It cuts from the start at the Bahamas, so splice works. But slice on the other hand, not. Like if I put slice 0 and not specify anything, what happens? Nothing happens. I think my timers are completely weird. Maybe I should just increase them a bit. Yeah, I'll increase the timers a bit. But I commented every other declaration. Oh. Well, I thought I did, but the countries array should be commented out. All the other ones. Or maybe I should just select all and comment them out. But yeah, it's all commented out everywhere else. This should be the only instance that's not commented out. Yep, it's the only one. The slice method just doesn't seem to work for some reason. Oh wait, I didn't specify what I wanted. I don't know. Let's try another index. Let's try 12. Oh, okay, I am using a com. That is odd. If I slice from 12, well, I would have to know where 12 is. What's at 12 to know if it worked. Yeah, we'll just go with splice for the solution. Because I think it solves the thing I'm spending way too many days on. Right. It put the index back. Sometimes it gets it without the index. Sometimes it gets it with the index. No, it doesn't cut it. Right. Okay. So I have to store it as a variable. So let's see. Let's new array. Let new array equals countries dot slice 0 and 10. Console.log new array. Okay, so slice. Okay, that's what he wanted me to do. So slice out the first 10 and return that, not return the array without the first 10. Yeah, that I remember. And you have to, and because like you said, it mutates the array. So it changes the array directly, doesn't return a new array. So that's probably why you need to declare the variable to store the length of it when you push, and then you can just log the actual array itself, and it would have changed the original array. Right? I think. Yeah, I think I got it right. But okay, so now I get the point of the exercise. So my splice was wrong. My splice should have. Well, that would mean I knew the. Okay, I see why the slice method would work better. New array equals 1, 2, 3. Leave it. So the original console.login, the original array returns this. A new array returns 1, 2, 3. Create a copy of the original array. I know this one. Well, I could just say new array equals countries. New array equals an empty array, countries. And then console.log. Well, let me comment this out so it's not so confusing. Okay, so this is the new array, which contains an array. But okay, I see your point. Don't put it in another array. So let copy equals countries, then console.log copy, which just gives me one array instead of a multi-dimensional array. Okay, copy at index 0 equals 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, you have to console.log the new array. Control C. Countries. Countries. Okay, there we go. Right. It removed Afghanistan because I already run the splice operation on it. Wait, hold on. I see what's confusing. So it should be the original array with the... No, it changed it. Right. That was my first instinct, to put it in a to put the new copy in an array so that it'll be index 0, and then if I add another element, that will be index 0, and well, let's just do this. Right, that's countries. If I log copies, there'll be one array with a number and another array in it. Oh wait. Right, because I said copy at index. Interest. Oh, and spread, and with the spread operator. Right. That's odd though. Well, so now if I clog countries, should it be the same? What the fuck? Countries shouldn't have 1, 2, 3 in there. Okay. Right. So it should be right. Yeah, I didn't edit the original array. I just created a copy of it, and then I edited that copy. Okay. Okay. Why did I delete it? I'm supposed to save it for note taking reason. Control K C and Control C. Did I complete the exercise? Yes. But I had to do it with a okay, I'm trying to do it with a splice. Control A S countries that splices. Oh, I didn't log. So console log countries. Alright, so I started at index 0, sliced out. Alright, give me 1 second. I didn't even notice. I thought it was you telling me that the thing is bigger. Oh my god, it reset my main my hold on. I gotta change my Microsoft be slick. Changed my default browser. Very smart, Mikey. Very smart. Okay, let's try this again. Not that I have anything against Edge. I'm just so used to the Chrome the Google ecosystem. It's just, I don't know. They've just embedded themselves into my life. Google was smart with that and came up with that early. This is the link I had. I don't see any other link. Is this the link you mean? Of what a deep array? What are you ewing, Heifer? Did you ew, or is that an abbreviation for something? Yeah, it looks an array like an array with an object, with another array with an object, then another array with with three objects, then an object. All right, the next one was an object. Jesus Christ, what the hell is this? Oh, is this the one you used for your countries thing? The one you showed me, that project you showed me from Netlify? Okay. Yeah, this is big. You know, all this time I've been saying that, oh my god, what the fuck? I thought I was just gonna scroll down and that would be, this is long. What in the 16,824 lines. That is ridiculous. That is sickening. Countries.length 183. 16,000, bro. I just checked it. It was 16,000 lines. Somebody had to create this API, right? Oh wait, it was you? Or did you just copy it? Found your GitHub. Yeah. Can I peek at your projects? Can I go to your profile? I can't go to your profile. I want to see. Okay. Mixture recipe, search engine Odin, bento creed, social proof, recipe page, to-do list, country, IP track, express jobs, API. Wow, you got some shit ton of projects. Okay, 2 pages. Yeah, you've been on here since 2021. That's why I saw something that says sexy girlfriend API. Oh, okay, you have more. Oh my god. Yeah, I hope I get that someday. I think my first repo would be like sometime last year. Sometimes at the beginning of last year, like around maybe August, maybe. What am I guessing? I can be silly like that sometimes. I got 50 repos. And I think my first one was. Sure, give me 1 second. Yeah, it was 2020 December. I was in December. Wait, yeah, December of 2023. I had the GitHub for a while, but I didn't really know what it was for or what to use it for until I finally found a YouTuber to show me. Mixture recipe app. Do you have the Netlify link? Okay, cool. You have the Netlify. It's in MVP state. What's MVP state? Okay. Hey, didn't give me a recipe. It's a lot of ingredients. Okay, how about just chicken, oil, and tomatoes? Or do I have to do it like I'm adding tags? No. I didn't break it. I did not do anything. I just added just added ingredients like I was asked. I did nothing wrong. Okay, now it's asking for 3. So onions. Is the comma required? Peppers. Butter. Or is it that what the things I'm putting in can't really make anything? Oh, okay. So tomatoes. All right, let's just refresh. Okay. Yeah, the message is kind of confusing because it says add 3 or more ingredients to generate a recipe. Yeah, hello. We're not expert coders like you. Tomatoes and salt. Oh, okay. See, the way it's written, the way the message under it says it's written, it kind of implies that I should just put all the ingredients at one go. Oh, cool loading screen. Pac-Man. 4 ripe tomatoes, 1 onions, 1 jalapeno, 4 chopped cilantro. Chop the onions and tomatoes. Heat up. But how does it like? Where does it go to find recipes based on the thing? Is that like an API thing, or is it AI involved? Okay, because I'm like, what the? It must be a really smart API if it can just all. I guess it would be a random chance thing. It looks for a recipe as an API. Nah, that would just take too much space. Mind sharing. Don't be scared to share. I know I might not know what to do with it now, but you never know. I'll get there someday. I'm happy that I have all these resources already. So when I do finally make it out of JavaScript hell, and I get to JavaScript heaven, I can finally start using that stuff. I'm still wondering why Heifer aired, by the way. She never did clarify. Is there something coming out of my nose? I'm just curious. You would tell me, right, if there was something coming out of my nose. Alright, I need a job that is. Okay, let's try. What if I only have bread, tomatoes, and onions? What then? AOY's recipe suggester. Nice. Very nice. So, what am I trying to do here again? Oh yeah, I'm trying to get to the site. Oh, it's a Hugging Face. So you didn't have to train it or anything yourself. It was already trained to do that. Mm. Yeah, we'll let Hugging Face handle the heavy lifting. He said my computer would burn. Not explode, not give up. It will just straight up catch fire. That is serious. I'm adding it to the AI bookmarks. See, even Helfer had to say something to that. Like, what? How old is that? Okay, so if I say countries.splice from three. Well, yeah, slice is still the best method for this. Because I want to return just the countries that I cut out. Countries dot, log countries. Yeah, I hear that. So once again, the slice method. Oh yeah, I forgot. You gotta save the let new array equals Just new array. There we go. Much better. Alright, so I got the first 10. Well, I should probably slice from 11 because it doesn't return the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It gave me the first 10. Alright, Heifer, thanks for coming through. I'll try to see if I can catch another stream soon, hopefully. Sorry. I'm still figuring this mod thing out. I'll try to see if I can get you in VIP soon, so you can do that. Yeah, but this is like an after work thing. Like I just got home from work not more than an hour ago. Then I'm gonna I try to get like at least 2 hours of coding in on work days. I added you as a VIP on Nightbot. I guess that doesn't matter to Twitch. Alright, because it's the Twitch bot doing that, not the Nightbot. So many bots. You guys are VIP on Nightbot, so Nightbot should let you guys slide. Yeah. Oh, and if you don't be shy. You can use the Discord. There's no problem. I mean, I know I take a while, but yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, Nightbot does not like whatever you just did. Yeah, I got all the Nightbot commands up now. Nightbot is active. Boston play. Alright, let's see. Alright, so we got this. Exercise number 3. The following is an array of 10 students ages. Oh my god. Why doesn't it let me view the message that is causing the issue like the other time? Like last time I could at least see what the issue was and do something about it. Wow, 55 messages. Oh, okay. Plus this. Okay, there we go. I could see the message. Oh, okay. Hey, stop yelling at me, Heifer. Alright, see you later. Thanks for coming through. Okay, so we gotta sort this. Yeah, let's comment that. Alright. Find the array and find it. So console, well, let ages dot sort console dot log ages. Okay. Let min age. Oh, cool. Oh man, did you start? Well, you're gonna start with the beta because the beta is that's what you start with. That's the recommended one now. It's fun. You get to build a game, an RPG game, like a Dragon something. It's a fun game. It was a fun build, and way down the line you get to build a platformer. It's a great curriculum. and let minimum age equals math dot min ages array. Do I just write ages or do I write the array? Let's see if that works. Also dot log min age, not a number. So I still gotta math dot min. If do I say ages? Let's see. Parse int, maybe parse integer. How do I run the parse int? Math ages, then parse integer ages. There we go. Right. So the minimum is 19, and then let's max age equals max and parse integer ages. Console.log max age. Nope. Spread array ages. Why is it still giving me 19 in both cases? Math. Okay. What was I doing wrong before? Why didn't it give me Oh, okay. So maybe I have to parse int the spread. Parse integer. It gave me an even higher value. There's no 28 in the array. It just added something to the array. Oh, okay. I can't parse. I have to tell it what index I wanted to, which means I would have to first iterate over the array, then the index at I, and then parse that, and math dot max, then parse integer that. The median age. The median would be ages. Let's median equals ages dot length divided by 2 remainder 0. Is that it? Oh wait, no. Sorry. Length divided by 2. Alright, and if median equals 0, console.log ages and median. Work. No, that's not work. Else console.log ages median and ages. Would find the median age, one middle item divided by 2. So the 3, 6, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I should get 20, but I get 24. The middle number should be. Oh wait, it's using the sorted array. I forgot. Okay. Well, no, that's not one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 24. I mean, but it's the same number in this case, right? Is it 24 in both cases? All right. And so it should be and ages at median plus 1. Yeah, that's what I said. It's the same number. But it should show 2 24s though. It's only showing 1 with the and. Let's clock the console.log. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With a slice, right? Or a splice? Okay. So console, ages dot slice median. Oh, silly bill. Median plus 2. Okay. Alright, find the average age. So all items divided by the number of items. So would it be let average equals ages no, I have to add. So first I have to let sum equals first I have to add all the items in the array. So let's let's added added ages equals, I have to write a sum. Constant sum of r equals, let sum equal 0. How do you, I forgot, how do I add to sum of an array again? I've done this a few times. I should remember how to add. For let age of ages console.log age at index 0. I can't console.log and not all in the loop. So let sum plus or equal age. Why is that not working? Equal yeah, silly. Oh, silly. Of ages. Yeah, that's definitely wrong. Sum plus age. Just added the first element of the array, which is 19. But I wanted to add the whole array. So do I have to declare? So that's the first. Is it age plus plus? Oh, right, age plus plus. So. Oh my god, I know. Oh, is it? Oh, wait, no. It should be sum plus plus. The new sum. Well, I'm trying to reiterate over the loop, but I can't for some odd reason log the value of age, right? So console.log ages at index 0. That's what I want to know. Okay, so the loop is working. Oh wait, yeah, ages 19, 19, 19, 19. So what I wanted to do, right, the loop is looping, but it's not loop. Well, it is actually looping through the whole array. So console.log ages. It is going through the whole array. Well, it's logging the whole array. Okay, so sum plus or equals to ages, age, return sum 228. Okay. Well, let me just comment all the stuff out so I can stop control KC. You. Okay. Right. I start getting confused. I keep seeing the previous logs. All right, so I have the sum of the array ages, right? The average is all items divided by the number of items. All right, so let average equals sum of array ages divided by ages dot length. Then we clone I want to learn how to write functions. That's really what I want to learn how to do. So I'm trying to get practice for that because that's what I really think I'm weak in the most is writing functions and getting them to work. So I'm trying to learn how to write them. Okay. So there. All right, because there's no such thing as, so there should be some. Some. 22.8. All right, now to find that range of the ages, max minus the minimum. All right, so let's, well, I have the value already. Control C. All right, Find the range is max minus the min, so let range equals min max age minus minimum age log range 7. Sure. Or do I have to pause ends on both of them? Pause. All right. Compare the values. All right, the maximum value minus the silly guy. Okay. Compare the value of the minimum minus average and the maximum. Compare the value. Compare the value of the minimum minus average and maximum. Yeah. I was just checking. That looked weird to me. I didn't understand the mathematical operation that was being performed. As in, I was expecting a doubled number like the other numbers in the array. So I was just making sure that wasn't why I was giving that error. And I just realized it was just asking for the maximum number minus the minimum number, and that seemed correct because the max number was 29 or 26, and the minimum was 19. So yeah, 26 minus 19. That result looked weird to me, so I thought maybe I forgot to parse int or something. I was just checking, just making sure. By the time I finished it, I finally understood the operation that I was doing, and it wasn't a weird answer anymore. So I'm supposed to so minimum. So let I need this Control K. So let minimum age the average equals okay. Minimum absolute. I've used the math absolutes once and I got it to work, so I'm not scared yet. How did we find the average again? Okay, so I got it. Okay. Also, 3.8. I'm trying to remember how to make it a decimal two fixed, right? Dot two fixed. 0.8. And then also dot log math dot absolute max each minus dot so what did I do wrong? No, but I still did something wrong. Right. Now in the console dot log 3.20. Does by compare does it mean to check if one is equal, if they're equal to each other, or greater than or equal to? Let's say find the middle countries in the country array. So, well, I will say countries dot left. Let's middle. C, 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 okay. Countries dot left console dot log should give me 193. Let middle equals left divided by 2. Six 6.5. Well, if you're looking for is that the range? No, that's the median. So we're actually looking for the median. Let middle country equals countries dot left. If middle country not equal if middle country Middle country. Mm. I've seen this before. Middle country, this doesn't have a remainder of 0. To cross with the balance country, middle country is undefined. Okay. The middle countries. So if middle percent, middle country not equals equals percent integer middle country remainder 0. Countries in middle country. Console.log countries. Oh wait, no, I should countries. Yeah, countries at the end. It's the middle country. Middle country, console, and us. It's all good. I'm gonna have to learn to work with big ass arrays, right? I didn't even slice. I just asked it to. No, I want to do this one. Okay. I see what well, I see one error so far. I asked ChatGPT and I see one error in my if statement. I'm doing this, so it should be the countries.length remainder. So if middle country remainder 2 equals the middle country remainder 2 equals well, I think it solved that by going math.flow. That part that's another error. I didn't flow it, so now we're getting 86, which is Lesotho, but that's not the answer. It's supposed to be Libya and Malta and the Marshall Islands. But I said the middle index countries.length divided by 2. That part I got right. Then next is the if countries.length remainder 2 equals 0. Oh, okay, so the length of the whole array, not this is what I'm doing. It's supposed to be countries.length. Liberia, I'm still doing something wrong. If countries.length remainder 2 is 0, else return country console.log middle countries in middle index -1 and countries at the middle index. So it should be, let's just delete this horrible if else statement I have here. Is it in a function? I'm also writing that wrong, I think. Let's see. Console log this item again. Okay. So if it should console log countries. It doesn't have a parsed integer, so let's take out the parsed integer. Let's see. Middle country should be countries and middle countries. Plus countries and middle countries. I'm confused. Middle index -1. So middle country -1. Why didn't they use a template literal though? And countries at the middle index. If else country also countries at the middle country. I'm getting a different result for some odd reason. Master functions calculates the middle index. If the area has an even length, there are two middle countries. Indicates middle index -1 and middle index. If the area has an odd length, there is one middle country at middle index. The area has one area. Since the length is even, the middle countries are one index at 97, Malta, and index is 98. Malta and the Marshall Islands. That's not what I'm getting though. I'm getting also log countries index of 96. It's listen. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting a different answer. 196. Why did I get 196 countries? Last I checked, there was only 193. Also, the country. Yeah, it's 193. What, did I add an extra country? Oh, am I missing a country in mine? Yeah, I got Minnesota. I'm curious about this whole countries. Country. Alright, because it's a log. It's not a function. I was like, why don't I need to template literal that or add a plus? Countries. Good. It was Lesotho. Alright, I'm gonna do this next one. Divide a country's array into two equals array if it is even. If country's array is not even, one more country for the first. Alright. Control KC. Let's just do it. So Can I do a countries dot split? What is the variable? Let median equals countries dot left 2. Then use the variable median. So now, I have the median, the middle. This countries dot left divided by 2. All right. Let's know first equals countries dot slice. Countries dot slice. I need a music. I should have had the music. I should have had the music. I thought the song West thing would just go on playing throughout the whole thing. I thought the song West thing would just go on. Okay, better. My brain just went offline. Okay, so countries dot slice. Okay, from 0 to the median. Also. All the way from Afghanistan to Lebanon. And let's second for the country of slice from median to country of land. Second. 11 on Lesotho all the way to Zambia. Let's see Lesotho, which was the middle country when we did the median, all the way to Zambia. No, okay, so what I say, country stuff. Will be Lesotho all the way to Zambia. I mean to Zimbabwe. Alright, so we have that. Hope I did that right. Then I could just, well, if I concatenate it, it'll just give me back the original array, so I don't think concatenate. Give me back the No, I don't think that's what I was supposed to do. But I got this part. I get up to this part. So I should say if median remainder 2. If the country's array is not even, one more country for the first. So if median remainder 2 equals 0, which means it's even. And cost dot log first half. Else also got log first. Countries dot at index. Okay, add one more country for the first half. So I have to take a control. Let's take a country from the second half. Well, I could just say countries at the second half. Index. console.log countries f-index of second half f-index. I cannot do it. Index of second half. Every countries dot second at the index of okay, let's see what there should just be console first half second index okay, I see what I'm doing. Okay, I think I got it right. Let's check, let's ask ChatGPT. Since Checkham has given up on us. He went to work. Almost had it right, but I didn't need the if statement, it seems. My conclusion is right, but what ChatGPT said. Oh wait, I forgot I could just show that. ChatGPT suggesting that I use the math.ceiling for outlines, right? And then just slice from the first index. This was ChatGPT made it look easy. I did this and I got the required results. It wasn't very elegant to me though. So this is what I did. So I found a median. I didn't think about the math.sealant thing because I didn't even know. I didn't know that. So then when I did it, I split it into the two arrays. Then I wrote an if statement that if median is even, just log the console.log first half. And if, which is in the exercise, I see now. And if it's odd, just console log the first half plus the index from the second half. Which is what the exercise asked me to do. Because I guess I'm supposed to see both halves, right? But it does solve it, right? When it was even, it logged the first half. I mean, if the array had been even, it would have logged just the first half. But since it's odd, it logged the array plus the first one. It took a country from the second half and put it in it. But I noticed it didn't separate it by a comma. That would have been confusing. Do I need to split it by a comma? Dot split. That gotta do it in the thing. Split. That did not work. So if I do this here, no, it's joining them. Why is it joining them? So it's the plus that's causing it. So what if I just, instead of split, what if I just see brings it in, that doesn't add it to the Can I dot join? Well, it joined everything. And it added Lesotho to everything. Okay, not that join. Alright, so I guess it has to be taken off. And okay, so the solution was to map.sealant this. And then console. Afghanistan all the way to Lesotho, then Liberia all the way to Zimbabwe. And yay, we have completed day 5. First half of land. 97 and 96. The first one is longer, and the second one is the shorter one. simple solution, but I struggle with that. Hey, do you know how I could fix that issue? Like if I didn't know this and I wanted to fix the issue with the... But you do have to split arrays. Well, I guess everything is text-based, right? Like it's only if you're making a site that sells things that you have to worry about that, right? That's where you have to split arrays and add numbers and stuff. Oh yeah. We finally made it past day 5. It was a trip. I enjoyed this, surprisingly. I think I'm picking it up little by little. Control S. Alright, let's start the reading section for part 2. I mean, for the next part. I hope so. I hope so. I do feel like I'm learning though. I'm getting it little by little, just not as fast as I want to. Alright, we're in loops on day 6. Okay. I do feel like I'm learning. Like that chapter on the methods was definitely necessary. That cleared it up for me, and it's also good to know that I have a place where I could go to, what do you call it? To go check out methods and just learn stuff like that. That was very useful. But yeah, we're on day 6. I'm gonna go. I don't want to start day 6 and then be in the middle. But loops should be fun. And that's another thing I struggle with. I've settled on the for of loop. Thanks for that one, by the way. That loop has become my favorite loop. It's just so easy to understand for me. Yeah, I mean, before that it was the for loop. Yeah, that was my favorite. But now I dig the for of loop. The mathematic parts is where I'm struggling. I get the syntax, like writing syntax and just working with strings. That's easy. It's when it comes to math that I start struggling. I need to brush up on my mathematics. I need to find a course for math and just brush up on math too, right? I'm glad to hear that. Even though I shouldn't. Even though I should not be. I still need to find a math course and just brush up. I think I'll go on YouTube and find like a math with just math. Just basic math. Because I've been out of school for so long and I haven't been thinking about doing mathematics that I'm just rusty as fuck. I just needed basic algebra and arithmetic and all the jobs I haven't needed to learn complex math. But that's why I definitely need to brush up on complex mathematics. Calculus and all higher math, derivatives and all that, I forget about it. But basic arithmetic and algebra, I still remember. But yeah, let me get out of here. I'm glad we made it past day 5. We're gonna make it to day 6. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Hopefully, no, tomorrow's Music Monday, so we get a break from coding. But I'll be back on Tuesday, and we gonna do the coding thing. So I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Canna Academy. Is that on YouTube? Okay, it's just Okay, so they teach everything. But yeah, they got You are a great resource. Thanks for that one. Mathematics with no college stuff. Computing, intro to CS, Python, computer programming, AP college computer science principles, Pixel box. Oh, they got everything. I guess an all math, C all math, early math review, kindergarten, first grade. It should be interesting to see all the things I should have known. And oh yeah, they do have college stuff: pre-calc, differential calculus, integral calculus. Oh my god, they got everything. Calculus 1, calculus 2. What? 7th grade illustrative mathematics, Yeah, let's add that to the list of places I should be watching. Alright, age word problems. Cool. They've been on YouTube for 17 years. I'm always surprised when I see these old channels. Like, some people have been at this for years, man. And they're still, let's see, how many followers do they have? Oh, okay, yeah. 8.75. That is ridiculous. Yeah, 17 years of doing it. I don't do that. Let's see, latest was 5 days ago, so they're still pretty busy. Yeah, they're doing programming too. Like, you are. I think chemistry is the hot topic at the moment. I mean, the website is pretty clean. You can just go to the section you want. You don't have to, like, you can just focus on whatever it is you came there for. Like, there's the science section, and you just click see all science, and it's just science stuff. And if you want programming, you can just go to see all computing. Yeah, this is another great resource. There's a see all math under high school and college. Actually, they have it for all the sections have a see all section. And you just click on it and it goes to everything in that section. I'm gonna have to start here at kindergarten. Never mind, 1, 2, 3's over. I was trying because when I got on there, I didn't see anything for college mathematics. So I was like, what the hell? Where's the college stuff? And then I just saw this and I'm like, okay. Oh, people start learning differential equations in high school. Okay, it's high school and college. I just saw high school. I didn't start learning differential equation until like sophomore year, I think. I had to pass calculus 1 first before they let me start taking differential equation. You are not alone, my friend. You are not I think that's a majority of the population. Because, math is a specialized thing. You don't really have to use more than algebra and geometry in real life, unless you work in like a really sciencey field. Like if you work in a basic hands-on job where you build stuff or you make stuff or food preparation, and you don't really need to know past how to add numbers and how to count. So it's hard to get practice for the difficult stuff unless you like make a career out of it. But yeah, thanks for the resource. Let me get out of here. I'm gonna go to bed and sleep well. Like I said, tomorrow's Music Monday. I don't know what I'm doing yet. I'm doing some mixing and mastering. And then yeah, we'll be back to coding on Tuesday, then we'll play some games. It should be fun. Yep. You don't need differential equations to count your money. You just need to know how to count your 1, 2, 3s, right? You don't even have to worry anymore because most transactions are electronic nowadays, right? In the computer. You just need to know how to read the screen. Alright, until next time. Peace. Peace out.
Death is there. She said the world's gonna die. You know, the world, the earth. It's gonna be over. I said, well, I never lied to you. You see, I can explain sex in a minute, but death, I can't explain. Wanting to die. Since you ask, most days I cannot remember. I walk in my clothing, unmarked by that voyage. Then the almost unnameable lust returns. Even then, I have nothing against life. I know well the grass blades you mention, the furniture you have placed under the sun. But suicides have a special language. Like carpenters, they want to know which tools. They never ask why build. Twice I have so simply declared myself, have possessed the enemy, eaten the enemy, have taken on his craft, his magic. In this way, heavy and thoughtful, warmer than oil or water, I have rested, drooling at the mouthful. I did not think of my body at needlepoint. Even the cornea and the leftover urine were gone. Suicides have already betrayed the body. Stillborn, they don't always die, but dazzled, they can't forget a drug so sweet that even children would look on and smile. To thrust all that life under your tongue, that all by itself becomes a passion. Death's a sad bone, bruised you'd say, and yet she waits for me year after year, to so delicately undo an old wound, to empty my breath from its bad prison. Balanced there, suicides sometimes meet, raging at the fruit, a pumped up moon, leaving the bread they mistook for a kiss, leaving the page of the book carelessly open, something unsaid.